Hi YouTube, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. This is Nate, and first off, I want to send out a huge thank you to all of my subscribers because we have reached the 40 subscriber mark, okay? Thank you. It's awesome to me. I don't know the words to express how awesome that makes me feel. That you guys are interested in my videos. Okay? So, now, let's keep doing what we're doing and share with your friends and all that stuff, okay? Hit the like buttons, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and all that, because this channel is, well, any new carvers that I can help learn or teach to carve, given I've only been carving for about a year. But, so yeah, I'm definitely still learning, okay? But anything that I've learned along the way that I can share with you guys, I want to. I will. I have. Okay? So, now, this channel is so as well, because I got my email address in the info section. If at any time you'd like to make me an offer for a carving, just shoot me an email. And I'm sure we'd be able to work something out. So, now, I've showed you. Now, note, okay? All the carving videos I've done are my takes on mostly carvings that I've learned from Jordy Johnson of Carving Fusion, or Cousin Jack from Cousin Jack Carves, okay? A handful of them, including the piece that we're going to at least work on in this video, are of my own creation, okay? So, in the last wood carving video, I know my stone carving video wasn't very good for most of the carving. You guys got a pretty good shot of my little bit box, and I apologize about that. I hope you at least enjoyed the music. So, but today we are going to carve a female wood spirit because Just Carve Bob is lonely. So, using this log here, I'm going to carve a female wood spirit, and I think I might name her Just Carve Lucy or Just Carve Judy, depending on how she turns out. So, now, enough chit-chat. Let's get this piece cleaned up and get the design drawn on it and get to carving. Okay, so I'm going to use this large detailing bit, one of those 3-bladed chisels, to clean this log up and see what we got to work with. Hopefully it won't be infested with termites or ants or have much wood rot, because I cannot remember where I found this log, but let's do it. All right, so now that we got her cleaned up, we found some holes, like one there. So I'm gonna make this side the back side of the head, and we're gonna put the face here. All right, so I'm gonna pencil in the face first. Because I do the female wood spirits slightly different than the males. So, okay, so now that we got that drawn in, time to straighten it up. Okay, and now we got our face here. All right, so that's what we're going to work on first. Now, I'm going to draw in a nose, some eyes, and of course, the mouth. Okay. Now, that's what's up so far. So before I start feathering on the face, I'm going to get this on the sides feathered back some, because I want the face, of course, to be above the log, but we still need the log in the background for character and for the hair. So let's do it. All right, now that we got that feathered back more, notice I didn't do much down here because I got plans for that later on. Now we're gonna feather this and get our nose up. We're also, I guess, first, before we go feathering too much, we need to get our mouth in. So that's what we'll do next. I'm going to switch to my extreme flame burr, and then we'll do some more carving. All right, now we've got the mouth cut in, good and deep, hopefully deep enough. If not, we can fix it. Now we're going to be feathering out everything else to make the nose. So here it goes. All right, and now we got our roughed out nose. So I like to have the nose as the highest point in my carvings because I use it for reference, okay, for the other features. And on a natural face, it's the highest point, okay? So we'll do some more shaping with the nose, but first we're going to redraw the eyes. Put one there, one there. I don't like them there, so change color and... Alright, now we get what we get. Okay, so now I got my Cuts-All Extreme Dovetail burr ready, and we're going to cut in her eyes. Okay, now we got our eyes cut in. We're going to add some eyelashes. Okay, so we got them drawn in. To do the eyelashes, I got a real thin diamond tip burr. I don't know how well this is going to work on wood, because I've only ever used it on stone, but we're going to find out. Okay, and now we got our eyelashes cut in, and next I'm going to use my dovetail burr here to shape the nose. So let's get going. Now that we got our nose shaped, our mouth cut in, all the facial features, the basic ones anyhow, I'm going to feather out this all the way down. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, now I've feathered all this down and gave her some jewelry, or we're gonna give her some jewelry. A little cross necklace. Okay, so to do this, I think I'm going to start out with my sphere burr, because there's going to be a lot of feathering, especially around the necklace itself. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah, so let's get... Okay, now we got our roughed out cross necklace here with a slight undercut under the chin. So this might end up being a two-part video or series. So depending on how much space on my phone and all that fun shit. So if you enjoyed this, keep a lookout for part 2. So until next time, carve on.